Watch until the end, repeat every sentence after me, and practice every day. Good morning. I wake up early. Good morning. I wake up early. I make my bed. I make my bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I eat break fast. Saying I drink coffee. Saying I drink coffee. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to work. I walk to work. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I say hello. I say hello. I start my work. Start my work. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I drink water. I drink water. I go home. I go home. I open the door. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I read a book. I read a book. I go to bed. I go to bed. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. Good night. Good night.